What's up, you guys? We're back again with another video. Today we're gonna be working on these fiberglass bedsides and front fenders. These are the bedsides off of the Z71. They are from Fiberworks Off-Road Fiberglass. So when we installed them on the truck, we just installed them how we got them. But there's a lot of defects on these bedsides and the front fenders. I mean, we're not professional with the fiberglass, but you could tell like a lot of this is coming off already. So when was it, like 2 days ago we took them off, 2 or 3 days ago we took them off, and we started working on them. Put a little bit of resin wherever it was lifting. I don't know if it's gonna do anything, but we did that. We also put a little bit of fiberglass here because this one cracked. Oh no, I think it's this one. This one cracked. See it right there, and that's right here. So we rinsed them off real good with some degreaser, and we're gonna spray it with Raptor liner. I don't know where it's at, but we're gonna spray it with Raptor liner, both of them. Well, actually all 4 pieces on the inside. It's just a lot easier to clean them up with the Raptor liner on them. You just rinse them and it comes off. And this thing traps a lot of the dirt. You can see where the dirt got behind the mesh on a lot of these spots. So that kind of sucks, but I'm gonna try to get them as best as possible with the Raptor liner. Hopefully that doesn't happen anymore. See right here, look. You can see all that dirt right there. And we're also gonna spray the backside of these, which we're probably not gonna record because it's just satin white Rust-Oleum paint. This is the front fender. This is from Fiberworks. And same issue. You can see right here, there's like a big air bubble behind the mesh. We cleaned them up. This piece was missing a big old chunk, so we put a little bit of that fiberglass stuff. I don't know if it's gonna hold up. So right here you can tell that it's missing a whole lot of whatever they put. So this thing kind of came off of whatever it's on the backside. A big gap right there. So these are also gonna get sprayed down. We're probably not gonna spray this because this comes in contact with the inner fender. Just like the inside of this is gonna get sprayed. So we're gonna tape them up right now. We haven't sanded these down, we just degreased them and we fixed the little imperfections that we could. Well, obviously we can't get the dirt off completely. So I'm gonna tape them up right now and then we'll put you guys back on once we're ready to spray. So what we got done so far, we're just using yellow tape for now. Excuse our grass, it's a little dry, but we got everything taped up and we just got it sitting on top of these homemade jack stands that we made a couple of years ago. We didn't tape it up super professional or nothing, but you get the picture. We got this over here scuffed up. We taped this edge right here as well. This is gonna get wrapped the line, so that's why we didn't take none of this. No mames, ahorita hay un chingo de polvo. We got this over here, all taped up. I don't think we're gonna wipe them down. We might not wipe them down with some acetone. Are we gonna wipe them down with acetone? Oh, we're not gonna wipe them down with acetone. Just gonna spray them like that. Look, this is what I'm talking about. You see all this? Oh well, it is what it is. We're about to get the compressor out and the hose and everything. Once we're spraying, we'll put you guys back on. Well, actually, we're gonna show you what we're gonna spray it with. Where is it? The stuff. Dos botes. Okay. What are we doing? So the audience, what are we doing?
We're measuring the hardness.
We're measuring the stiffy.
Fuck.
This is what we're using. Raptor
See? It's
hardener.
not even these two. So we're gonna pour some of this.
What's that? Oh, the hardener? Yeah, va con basura y todo.
Okay. So I guess two right there.
Raptor liner. Should we whack her head in the background? That one's ready to go? Así ya con el hardener?
This one's ready. You have to mix it. Mix it. That one's broken down. Here.
Which one's broken?
The cap, I broke it last time. Mix it for 2 minutes. Mira. Can I use this one?
Pues sí, yeah. Or get the one right there. There's one. Apenas lo metí ahí. Gonna have to shake this up. I had a little technical difficulties. I got some of this on my face. Because this thing is broken. Look. I don't think you can see it, but I was broken. So this is what it comes with. You just screw the bottle onto that. And you just spray it.
So right now we're gonna see the
Oh, the pattern, the texture, right here, right here.
right here. There's almost.
Yeah, okay. Well, we're gonna adjust accordingly because we gotta see the pattern on the texture on the spray. It's too rough, no?
Yeah. Date unas pinzas para quitar esta madre.
Just in the nozzle.
I don't know. We need air or something.
Isn't that cool? We're done spraying these. Right here we cleaned the gun and it came out way better than on this side. See that there's bigger chunks. There's huge chunks right here. And we thought it was because of the compressor, and then we started noticing that it stopped shooting the Raptor liner, so we took the whole gun apart. We put it in acetone and we cleaned it up, and then it started spraying way better on this side. So you can see the difference. Well, you can see it right here. We stopped up to here, and then that whole side was way better, a little more smooth. The texture was a lot more smooth on that side than on this side. See right here. But we're already having that issue right there. And look at this side. We actually sprayed it with a little more texture on this side because we went a little further away to even it out a bit because it was more smooth. But I think the best panel so far is the front fenders. These are a lot cleaner. See the texture. We'll try to get up in there as much as possible. Also on these corners. We even did this, and we did it on the opposite side. We got behind this as much as possible. It's kind of hard. And homeboy decided to take this shit up, which I told him not to do it because it was gonna look dumb. And then it does look dumb. And he's not happy with that, but oh well. We sprayed it already. So we're gonna make a video. I don't know. I don't think we're gonna paint the outsides for this video. Maybe we are. we'll decide tomorrow, because we still got to sand these down. We're not gonna worry about these little cracks. We're just gonna sand them down and spray paint them. This is the other front fender. So we were just taking off the tape right now, just so we could let them dry. Probably like 24 hours. We're not gonna do it tomorrow. I think we're gonna do it until Friday if we do anything to this truck. Tomorrow we're gonna be a bit busy. Today's what? Wednesday. This is the skid plate. This is the second coat, I think, because we sprayed it again once we fixed the nozzle on the gun. And this one is the one we started with at first, so it's a lot more rough. Texture is a lot thicker on this one. See that? I mean, it is what it is. As long as it has the Raptor liner on there, I think these are going to be way easier to wash. A lot of people with money do Line-X. We're broke, so we did Raptor liner. So it's a whole lot cheaper than Line-X. Missed a little spot right there, but we're gonna get to that. It's been a couple of days and we let these dry. This is, I think, the worst bedside so far, because that's where the gun was getting clogged up. So the texture is really bad right here, and then right here's where it got cleaned up, and it's way better. I mean, it's just a bedside, so we're gonna start sanding these down with the red Scotch-Brite. Just gonna hit them real quick and then spray them down with some paint, some spray paint. So we're gonna scuff them up. I forgot to show you guys more of the spraying, but we got some striping going on. It's not that bad though. But we started putting it back together. We're doing the body lines right now. This is the driver's side. So we gotta do the passenger side, throw it on, and then put the headlights so we can kind of line it up. These aren't perfect, so they're not gonna match up like 100% perfect with your stuff, but we're trying to get it as close as possible. We still got to close this gap a little bit. Yeah, it's getting there. And we're using semi gloss white from Rust-Oleum, so it's pretty cool. I mean, it's close to it, it's just flat. That's how we had sprayed the bedsides before, and they look pretty clean, so we're just doing that for now. We did the front fenders already, so now we're doing the bedsides. Put the plastics on already. We just got to put all the hardware on. There's a little bit of overspray right there, but it's fine. Also, there's some right there. We were thinking of putting some hardware to hold this in its place like that, but I don't think that's gonna happen right now. We got the whole front end put back together now, and also the bedsides. Now the actual bed is Raptor line here, and the inside of the bedsides as well. I don't think it made it any stronger, but at least it's gonna be easier to clean. We have to clean this down with some, wipe it down with some acetone. It's all put back together now. Try to get it as straight as possible. The hood is still open, so that's why there's that gap right there. We were actually planning on Raptor lining these as well, but just decided not to for now. And you can see all the striping right there from the spray can, but Oh, well, it is what it is. It's gonna be perfect. So that's it for this video. Try to get as much done as quick as possible, so we weren't recording too many details and stuff. Check us out on Instagram at yonke_oxcfilms. I'll leave that in the description down below like always, and we'll catch you on the next one.